Hey guys, in this video you are going to see how to change particular color of a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. For example, I'm adding this clip to the timeline. Let's say you want to change the colors, especially this yellow or maybe this bluish color. How to do that? Just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. After adding the clips to the timeline, go to the Lumetri color panel, and if you scroll down you can see like these options. Under the creative you can see the curves option. If you scroll down here you see the hue versus hue. Select that and you can see the eyedropper here or ink dropper, whatever you call. Just zoom this area. Let's say I want to change this yellow color. For this select the eyedropper and select that color. And if you observe here, it is created 3 points. If you move the slider, especially the middle one, you can clearly see the colors are affecting to the yellow. Like this, you can change the color. If you want to reset, just double press on any of the keyframe, it will be resetted. I mean, the keyframes are going to be deleted. Let's say this color I want to change. I change it to some different colors. If you want to particularly do for this only, how you can do is you can select the mask tool and do a rough mask and track it. Later follow the same steps. Basically this is how you can change the particular color in a video using the inbuilt effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have any questions or want to cover any tutorials in the future, feel free to ask me in the comments. I definitely make a dedicated videos about that. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tips of the video editing as well as YouTube related ones.